Hey lovies, welcome back to another video, and on today's video I'm going to be sharing with you this delicious creamy pasta recipe with you guys. So if you're interested in watching, do stay tuned as I take you through the list of the ingredients. So let's start cooking. So guys, for this recipe I'm going to be using 500 grams of pasta. And I'm also going to be using 2 small-sized tomatoes, half red bell pepper, green bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, and a tablespoon of tomato paste. So guys, I'm also going to be using some king prawns, 2 cups of double cream, and also some cream fraiche, which you can substitute with sour cream, some cooking oil, and right here I have my spices, which I'm going to be using just a teaspoon of each. Right here I have some curry powder, some nutmeg, which I'm going to be grating into my pasta, some garlic, which you are free to use fresh garlic, black peppers, and some bouillon powder. And I'm also going to be using some smoked sausage. So right now, I'll go ahead and start prepping my ingredients. I'll go ahead and chop all my peppers. So guys, you are free to chop your peppers into the desired size and shape that you like. So guys, thank you very much for clicking on this video. If it's your first time here, you're welcome to Leader Isaac TV. I hope you do find this recipe helpful. And for all the list of the ingredients and measurements used in this recipe, please do check out the description box, and I'm also going to be pinning them on the comment section so you can get them anytime you want to make yours. And also, if you do find this recipe helpful, please don't forget to go ahead and click on that like button. Subscribe to this channel if you've not done so, and also don't hesitate to drop me a comment regarding any question that you would like to ask regarding this recipe. So right now I'll go ahead and also chop the sausage, and when I'm done prepping all my ingredients, I'll put in boiling water in my pot, adding just a bit of salt and cooking oil. I'll transfer in my pasta and I'll allow it to boil for about 5 to 8 minutes depending on the instruction on your pasta. So when my pasta is done cooking, I'll go ahead and put this in a bowl and sift off the water. So right now I'll go ahead and season my shrimp with some black peppers and garlic, and I'll mix this together and set it aside. So right now I'll put in my pot in the fire and transfer in just a bit of cooking oil and add in some onion. I'll go ahead and add in the already seasoned prawns. So I'll stir the prawns and allow them to cook for just about 1 minute. So guys, right now I'll go ahead and flip the prawn to the other side so it will cook also. So when I'm done with this process, I'll go ahead and transfer this into a plate and add a little bit more oil and stir fry the smoked sausage. So I'm going to be stir frying the smoked sausage for just about 2 to 3 minutes. So right now I'll take the sausage off the pan and I'll transfer the pan back to the fire, add in some cooking oil and start making my pasta. So right now I'll start by putting in all the remaining parts of the chopped onion. I will allow my onion to stir fry for just about 2 minutes, and I'll go ahead and add in my chopped tomato. I'll stir this together and allow it to cook for 2 minutes. So right now I'll add in my tomato paste, which I'm using just a tablespoon of tomato paste. So right now I'll go ahead and add in my bell peppers. So after adding in my bell peppers, I will stir this together and add in my spices. So I'll start by adding in some black peppers, some curry powder, some bullion powder, and garlic powder, which you can feel free to also use the fresh garlic if you have some. So I will stir this together and allow this to cook for just about 2 minutes. So right now I'll go ahead and put in my cream. So I'll add in my double cream and my fresh cream into this pot, and I'll stir this together and mix it up. So right now I'm going to freshly grate some nutmeg into the pot, so this will give it that nice flavor and aroma. I'll stir this up together and transfer in my pasta, my already pre-cooked pasta. And I'm going to stir this up together. So right now I'll cover this up to cook on a low heat for 2 minutes. And 2 minutes later, I'll go ahead and add in my smoked sausage. And I'll stir this up together. So guys, at this moment, I'm going to be testing to see if my food needs some salt. And I'll go ahead and add in some salt if I need to. And I will stir this up together and cover it up to keep on cooking on a low heat for 3 more minutes. And at this moment, my creamy, delicious pasta is ready. I'm just going to stir this up together and switch up the fire. So guys, thank you very much for watching this video. So as you can see, I went ahead to add in my king prawns and some freshly diced parsley leaves, which is going to give it some nice aroma and taste. So guys, I hope you do find this recipe helpful, and I hope you do give it a try. If you do and you love this recipe, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to this channel as I have more delicious recipe coming your way. Till I see you again, do have a lovely day, do have a beautiful day. Bye bye.